Okay, so in this video I will unbox a pair of Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, and I will also compare them to the Samsung Galaxy Buds. I will also compare them with the original Apple Airpods, and I will also compare them to the new Apple Airpods Pro. These comparisons will not be with sound quality and so on. It will be a comparison with hardware and design. But let's start by unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. As you can see here, the packaging looks great. A bit simple packaging though. But as you can see here, you get 6 to 21 hours of battery life. That's really good. Better than Apple AirPods. You get 6 hours with the buds itself and 21 hours in total with the charging case. That's really nice. But we start with checking out what's in the box. Not so Apple-like here. Hard to open a bit there, but now we are on its go, and that's normal. Samsung has documentation and so on in the top of the box. As you can see, documentation. What's more in the box? We have a charger cable, but just a cable, USB Type-C and USB Type-A, no charger itself. And here we have some, I'm not sure actually, maybe for the buds later on. I'm not sure about that. So that's the charging cable. A bit bad that we don't get a charger with it, I think. Now we have the Galaxy Buds Live themselves. Let's remove this. Nice color. Perfectly fit the color of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in Mystic Bronze. Sound by AKG, and you can also wireless charge these, I think. You can charge it with USB Type-C. And that's it, nothing more in the box. So we check these out. Whoa, magnetic case. Look at that. A bit fancy. Pimped color, if you know what I mean. Looks kind of nice. So let's remove them from the case. As you can see, it looks like beans. You put these beans in the air. And as I said, the one we saw there is for the buds itself to replace these, I think. And this is the left one. Nice. Looks nice. Oh, like that. So they are magnetic here too. like so. Quite small packaging, actually. Nice. So let's compare it now to the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Packaging almost the same, I think. Six hours of playtime. Wireless charging. Same there. Documentation in the top of the box. And here we have a charging cable. Same there, only the cable with a USB Type-C and USB Type-A in the ends. And here we have different sized earbuds to put on the buds itself. And here we have the Galaxy Buds themselves. A black case, wireless charging, USB Type-C charging. And we have nothing else, is my guess here. So let's open that charging case to see. Not the same luxurious feeling as opening these. This is like opening a Mercedes door. And this is maybe like opening Volkswagen or something. So a huge difference there. Much more luxurious hinge and charging case for the new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. These are more cheap in the design, but let's remove the buds. Here we have one. These are in-ear, as you can see, with different sized rubber buds, silicone tips. And here we have the left version. I actually don't like these kinds of earbuds that you have to have this in the ear too, to make these not fall out in the ears. We can already now see the difference here with the Airpods Pro that also have silicone tips. As you can see, these doesn't have that. You only put this in the ear and they fit perfectly fine with the right sized silicone tip. Then you have them perfectly in the ear. Here you have the same thing here, but you need to have this also rightly fitted into the ear. I don't like that. I think the design for Apple AirPods Pro is much better in that case. So all in all, I think the new Galaxy Buds Galaxy Buds Live seems better in that case. So let's do a comparison now. We have the cases itself here. You can see that the normal Samsung Galaxy Buds is much longer case. I think these ones take a lot more place in the pocket. than the new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. But they are also thicker. No, actually not. So these are a lot better when it comes to size in the pocket than the Samsung Galaxy Buds. We compare the case with the Apple AirPods Pro. We can see that the AirPods Pro is not as thick case. It's longer, but also a bit shorter in length, height. The length is longer, height is shorter. So actually I think the AirPods Pro is better for the pocket than these because these are so thick. The absolute best sized charging case is for the original AirPods, as you can see. Thinner than the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live and almost as tall, and also not as wide. So I think the case for the Apple AirPods, original AirPods, is the winner here when it comes to size in the pocket. But I think AirPods Pro is actually second there. And third is Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. And lastly, I think the original Samsung Galaxy Buds. And the reason because the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live is so thick. So this is what I think when it comes to size in the pocket. And I must say that I'm not sure exactly how you should put these in the ears so they stay there. But I will see later on. So that was a comparison between these. Now let's try to pair the new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live with an iPhone. I'm not sure if that's possible actually. So you actually have to install an app from Samsung to do this, the Samsung Galaxy Buds app. Then you can pair these with the iPhone. So let's try that. Now we're downloading the app from the App Store. Now we open the app. Galaxy Buds will use Bluetooth. Do you allow? Yes. They want to send me notifications. Yes. Galaxy Buds Live. It tries to find these, but it doesn't look as they will find them. I try to search again. Then I need to open the case to have the phone find them. Of course, Galaxy Buds Live. I click on those. Okay. Security, blah, blah, blah. Now they show me how I should use them. I should put them like that into the ear. Cool. And not like that. So that's kind of cool. They have a guide how to use them. So pretty nifty. So now everything is done. Like so, and as you can see here, we have some settings in the app. We can have noise cancelling on if you want. Like so. Works great. Now I've turned that off. We can do some settings, how to control them and so on. Nice. That's nice. And this is cool because Apple's Airpods Pro has these two, that you can, the pressure you have in your ears, you can ease the pressure while using these. So I put that on. Right, nice. Works great. And now noise cancellation on. Works great. I like this. And you have an equalizer if you want that, but I prefer listening to music and so on as intended, not do some settings with equalizer and so on. So I think this is done now. Works great. I'm really impressed by Samsung's app for iPhone. Works great. I'm very satisfied with this. Works great. I will listen to some music here to see how it sounds. You can't hear that, but I will hear that. I need to connect them apparently in the settings. They say it's connected, so let's see if I can listen to music. I don't know why, but they say they are connected. Strange. Okay, for some reason it didn't work first, but now it does. As you can see here in the Bluetooth settings, you have to have both of them connected. For some reason you need that, and you also need to have them connected so you can play here. As you can see here, you need to have them activated there to play with your iPhone, and also two connected there. I'm not used to that because when you have AirPods you only need to connect the AirPods and both are connected. And if you only use one, it feels that anyway. So, but here you need to connect both. So now it works, and I think I like it because they feel kind of great in the ears actually. And also with that pressure settings here, works a lot better with that. I like that. So works great with music now. Great sound, I think. Great sound quality. Good bass. Very, very good. I'm happy with these. Okay. That's it for this video. Please like it and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need more subscribers, so please do that. Okay. Bye.